Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create Google Stories in mobile. So, let's begin. So, if you want to create a Google Story, so first of all, you click on the Google Chrome. Then, I will click on my mail ID. It is my mail ID, so I will click here. Then after, you type here Visual Stories. What is, suppose if you want to create a certain stories in Google, so it is a very good site for Visual Stories. This site also is called a web browser sites. You can also this handle in your laptop PC also. As well, you can also handle this site your mobile phone also. Suppose you are doing the blogging, so you can use your mobile phone and download the app in Play Store Visual Stories also. And also you can download the app in Apple iPhone App Store also. Okay, so I will click here Visual Stories. What item I'm showing here, that also create on this application. Okay, so I'm already signed up over here. Look at it. It is my login ID and I already have signed up over here. Okay, so if you want to, I will also show. First of all I will log out it and then I will sign up. I will click on login here and I will go here and I will set my password like this and I will log in it. Look at it, I log in my profile. Okay, then after I will go to my profile here. You see it is my profile. There are 0 followers right now. I am not any kind of publish any story, so it is my 0 followers. So then I have personalized save story. You can also save your own story here. Then you can also personalize your channel also. On which topic you are create your story, in how many language you create it, in which websites you create the story, what kind of creator you create it. Okay, like that you can personalize your own stories also. Then after, here it is my setting option. Look at it, it is setting option. Here you see it is my nickname, it is my name or mail ID, and it is my mail ID. Okay, you want to edit the profile, you can also edit this profile. You can add a logo also here. Then you can add your name, last name, country, right name, country India. So you can enter your bio also. Okay, so for if you want to add your name of the organization, you can add your name of the organization also here. Then you can add your address also like that over here for the last name also. So then I will go to again home tab. Then I will go here, open slide bars. I will click here. Then I'll go here. There are a lot of new monetizations options. Okay, so here look at it. I'll go to my create a blog. Okay, you don't go right now in create story first of all. Okay, first of all you have to go to create your own blog first. Okay, look at it. Behind the skill courses there are dashboard here. I will show first of all it is my dashboard. Okay, then here you can go to story widgets. Which kind of story you want to create it, which kind of story template you can create it. Okay, then you can quiz. If you want to add a quiz in Google web page, Google web story, so you can add a quiz also here. That kind of template you are shown here. Then you go to your templates. So here there are a lot of templates. What you want to create the story, you can show templates here. Okay, then you can show here the create block. I will go first of all. Then here you can create a story. Behind below that you can create a block. So I will go first of create a block. So I will type here skill courses academy.com. Like this I will create my website. Okay, this website already have domain name, so I will click on OK here. I will select my platform. I will select my platform as a blogger. If you want to select the platform as a WordPress, look at it. Here you see WordPress show here. Wix also here, Weebly also here. So I create my this such as a blogger site. So I will click on blogger. Then I will continue it. Then after I will create my own brand. Okay. So skill courses academy, like this is my brand. I will describe my name, this academy only you again computer training, like this. Then here I will see the language only English. Then I will click here and I will continue it. Then after you finished option. Here it is a request has been submitted successfully. Okay, that request is go in my mail account. I will want to I want to give this mail account as a verification. Okay, so it is verification code show over here. Okay, then after I will go to my home tab. Okay, my mail account already verified, so I will not show here. Okay, so I will go to open stand bar again here. Then you see it is Skill Courses Academy. Okay, then after it is my dashboard. Here my widgets, here my quiz, and here my templates. Then after I will go to create a story. Right now I create a blog. Then I will show a create a story. Okay, look at it. Right now I want to show is Skill Courses Academy. Okay, I want to do this in this channel. I want to show it. So right now I want I showing web story only. Okay, so I will click here web story. Then I will use the title at Skill Courses Academy, like this. Then after you should show the description here. So I will show the description. I will enter the description. This academy performs in various fields and it gives a computer training to corporate employees, like this. Then you see here there are lots of templates you see. Okay, look at it. There are a variety of templates you are shown here. Okay, look at it. Okay. Okay, but I don't like this template, so I will go another here. Okay, these are all templates show over here. Okay, I like this. Okay, I like one template. Okay, for that I will show one template. I like, suppose I like this template. Look at it. Like that, I like this template, but okay, I will refuse it. Okay, I will take this kind of template. Okay, like this. Okay, it is perfect for me, so I will take this template. I want to use template. I will click on use template. So I will click on use template. Template applied successfully. Okay, like this kind of message you can apply. Then you can continue it. Okay, title already exists. Okay, so here I will type it, computer training, corporate training. Training. And I will continue it. Look at it. This kind of, you will get this kind of interface over here. Okay, suppose I want to choose one image, so I will go on images. I will click on free images. If you have any store in your PC or mobile phones, you can go in my images, or you can also use images also, but I will use the free images. I will type here computer. Okay, so look at here, this is a computer interface. So here, but I like this computer. Okay, or I want to, okay, wait a minute, I will first see here. Okay, I will see it is so cute puppies. So it's like a puppy or kitty, I don't know, but it's so cute. So I will select it and I will click here. Okay, so then here you can also type it if you want to corporate training, like this. Okay, computer. Okay, I will computer training, computer corporate training. Okay, I will type it here also. Okay, I type here also. So I will here, I will increase my font or font color. Okay, I want to change the font color. You can change the font color. Okay, I don't like this, I will like this. Okay, so you can change the font color, you can change the background color also. Okay, I will choose this kind of background color like this, or you can also choose the one I like this. Okay, or like this. Okay, blue. Oh, blue is nice. Then also you can choose, I will select it, then another I will change the background like this. Okay, it is perfect, I think so. Then you can also do the border also. There are different types of border shapes. Okay, so I will choose like this, solid. Okay, I will want to solid, so I will choose this. So look at it, border also come. Then again I will choose this, all border. Okay, I will choose the all border option. Click on solid and I will all border options. So look at it, border also show over here. Okay, so here it is our radius, how much radius you want. So you get the radius, this font. Okay, there are different types of fonts. So I will click on this type of font. So look at it, these are font are applied. So here 10 text, so you can also do the text color also. Okay, I will do this type of font color. Okay, no, wait a minute, here this color is okay, I think so. This color is nice, like this color. Okay, and I want to change this color. Okay, I change color and I will pick blue color. Okay, like this. This is my first page, I will create it. Then another, if you want to, okay, this slide background color, you can also do the background color also here. Okay, suppose you want to like this kind of background color, you can also change over here also. I will click on add new slide. I will click here on new slide. Okay, so in here you can also add different type of templates are here. Okay, I will select it, this kind of template. So I will select this kind of template. Look at it, this kind of template I will show here. Okay, then after, okay, wait a minute, I will go to template another. I will, okay, wait a minute, like this. Okay, I will click here. Okay, wait a minute. There is a little bit problem in internet connection, so wait for me and apply. Okay, like this. Right now I will show what kind of content you can write it. So I will write programming languages. So, okay, I will write here programming language. Okay, so you can also edit here also. There are several types of like that. Okay, you can add image also in here. I will type as a programming logo. Okay, so type logo. Okay, so I will take one language of this. Okay, look at it like that. You can create your own second web story here. Okay, like that you can create your web stories, and here your publish option is here, and then you can publish over here. After that you can see your this story into a Google account. Okay, so like that you can create your web story and Google web story. So if you like this informative video, so like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video.